Hey, this is Harold from Ask the Mower Guy, and this is a sweet-looking go-kart. I wanted to take the time and bring it out here in the showroom and give you guys a chance to check this sucker out. This is for the little guys. It is from Trailmaster. It's the Mini XRX R. Now, you may ask, what's that R? That R means reverse. You know, we didn't have go-karts like this when we were a kid, but this is the Mini XRXR, and it's got lots and lots of neat features that a lot of times you don't see on go-karts this size. Let's start off with, it's got the lights, a horn, rack and pinion. Rack and pinion steering. It's got shocks, nice tires, a steering wheel, an on-off switch for the lights. The choke is right up here on the dash. That makes it convenient and easy to start. Oh, and did I mention? It's also got electric start. So when you're looking at this 5.5 horsepower dedicated motor, this is a dedicated go-kart motor, especially for these. It's got a detached fuel tank, and it's electric start. But what happens when you're out there in the middle of nowhere and your kid leaves the battery or the key in it and leaves it on? Well, you still have the ability to have a pull start. This is a 5.5 horsepower dual start, recoil or electric start. Now, one of the other things is not all kids are built the same. They're not all the same size. And so what they've got is adjustable seating. Now, the whole bench seat, because most of the time when you have two kids going together, that seat's going to get adjusted. The kids are about the same size. But this is a single bench seat that runs across the entire bench and slides forward all the way up to that forward, reverse, and neutral shifter right there. And you've got individual 5-point harnesses. So, we're not saying that go-karts are perfectly safe, but what we're saying is you've got a roll cage all the way around it. So if they were to happen to hit something, that roll cage is there, may provide some protection. You've got padded seating. Right there, you can strap them in. It provides you some additional shoulder protection and stops you in case it comes to an abrupt stop for whatever reason. And I think this is a really good machine. So if you're looking for something to buy your kiddos this summer or this winter, and you're looking at this video thinking, man, I wonder what I can, because you can't really tell by the pictures. I want you to consider this. This is for like about I would say a 6-year-old size kid up to probably around 10-ish size-wise. Trailmaster Mini XRXR. Make sure your size fit appropriate. The kid's going to fit in it.